Here we have the Schiess Zk180 vertical borer. Table's capable of taking up to 1.8 meters diameter. Although, judging by the size and the clearance to the columns, it will actually turn jobs just short of 2 meters. Elevating rail, twin saddle, left saddle dedicated vertical with ram. The right saddle can be angled, and again is a ram. This is a clutch lever. Normally there's a staircase provided at the side of the machine, hence the length of this clutch lever. This is the gearbox change levers and the RPM table from 2.6 revs to a maximum of 83 revs. This is the oil flow indicator. And before the table's running, we must be able to see an oil flow in this window. The machine's currently sitting under 20-ton overhead crane. Left hand controls control left hand head, and the right hand controls control the right hand head. Top cover's been removed at the moment. That was to avoid crushing when the machine was lifted out of position. There's the motor, gearbox, oil filter, main oil sight glass is down here. Electrical control panel. This is the control panel for the rapids, with the lever here in the down position. When the motor is started, the fast traverse shaft here rotates, and the power can then be used to move the heads across, up and down. If the rail has to be elevated, then this knob is pulled out, the lever is moved up, and the buttons then control top button for up, bottom button for down, and the stop button. With the lever in the down position, we'll just press start. You can see the shaft rotating. I'm using this handle here to pull it towards me, moves the head towards me, push it away from me, head moves away, and likewise the ram can bring the ram down, or put the ram back up. These controls are then duplicated on this side, on the left side, and again pulling the lever towards me, pushing it away from me, pull the lever down, stand up. So try and stop the motor. Move the shaft to the position, and now if we activate this control, press the top button. You can see the rail is now elevating. Stop that and bring it down on the bottom button. Again, stop that. The main motor can be controlled from either the right hand head controls or from the front panel. Start and stop. If we start the main motor, main motor's now spinning up. So we'll have to wait for the oil flow to stabilise. Now that the oil flow is stabilised, as can be seen flow in the window, we can now start the table, but it has to be started at low speed and allowed to warm up. Push the clutch lever away, fully engage. It's now running. Feet can be engaged in these levers, vertical, horizontal. This lever's feed reversing. One direction for down, the other direction for up, centre off. The actual feed rate's determined by these two levers here. This gearbox is mirrored on the other side. Identical controls, you can see here, reversing lever. Spindle, change gear. I think to run a much higher speed it would need to be run for a good while to warm up, but we'll try moving it up to a slightly faster speed. Move the lever from D across to C. Try moving lever from B across to A. I'm not going to take it to full speed because I think it's too fast without being warmed up. But at least it shows that it does run in A. Put it back to B. So that's the machine demonstrated in every gear. So the chuck's fitted with 4 repositional jaws. Table's not particularly clean, but can easily be cleaned out. You can grip internal and external, the jaws look to be in good condition. Toolbox on the left ram. Slideway, toolbox on the right ram, and slideway, and slideway on the left hand side. The machine is fitted with an accurate DRO. The display unit is not currently with the machine, it's stored at another location. And switch the main motor off.